What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
Hey, listen, guys, as per usual, on the channel, we like to discuss educational content as well as information and news that we think you need to know. Today was a pretty huge news day in regards to DeFi, so we're here to bring you all those updates. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Don't forget to follow ClearCryptos on the Twitter page if you like the information that you get from here. That being said, Justin, take us into the story for the day.
All right, so Coinbase is now partnered with Google to accept crypto for Google's cloud services. And this by far is a huge partnership when it comes to crypto adoption. So Google is now supporting cryptocurrency. Earlier this year, the team at Google unveiled that they are building a team to provide services for blockchain developers, which is big. Earlier this year again, the Google Cloud division also disclosed that it was assembling a team to assist its clients in meeting their cryptocurrency needs. The business said it was investigating how clients might pay with cryptocurrencies. Google stated on Tuesday that it would tie up with Coinbase to allow crypto payments for its cloud services, which this is the first step in them actually allowing crypto as payment on Google. And everybody uses Google, right? I mean, who doesn't use Google? If you don't use Google, something's wrong with you. But anyway, moving forward, my computer would want to, there we go. All right, so the tech giant revealed that it will let customers pay with crypto in early 2023. So this is going to happen in 2023. The announcement was made by Google at the Cloud Next conference. The new collaboration will help the tech giant stay ahead of the competitors in the game. The platform will initially allow a few users to pay with crypto with its integration with Coinbase Commerce Service. The feature will be extended to several users over time. Currently, the Coinbase Commerce Service accepts 10 cryptocurrencies and it includes BTC, Bitcoin Cash, Doge, ETH, and Litecoin. So at least 5 cryptocurrencies right now should be able to be used in 2023 once this is actually launched. And I'm sure the big ones will probably be BTC, Doge, and ETH being probably the main 3 that a lot of people use. So it's going to be interesting to see how price actually reacts once this goes through. Google is also looking to how to use Coinbase Prime for securely storing organizations' crypto. The move by Google will attract several crypto enthusiasts. This is due to the fact that several users prefer payments with crypto as it's cheaper and faster. So Hobbs, what are your thoughts with all this?
Man, you know I gotta bring the facts, you know what I mean? So guys, listen up. This is bigger than I think that people actually realize. And once I started digging into the revenue, I had to bring the facts, okay? So listen, Google Cloud, right? That's what we're talking about, Google Cloud services. Now, I find it very, very interesting that they're gonna be allowing Doge to be accepted. I think that's super cool to involve some of the meme community tokens as well. I wouldn't be surprised to see Shiba Inu on that list at some point. But that being said, how much money could they possibly make? It's not even about the money, in my opinion. I feel like Google is trying to maneuver themselves into an early market and start to accumulate crypto in ways that they don't even have to really go buy it. They just have you pay them in it and they just accumulate it. That being said, September 22nd, 2022, this article was written and it says that in 2021, Google Cloud generated revenues of $19 billion, which is represents approximately 7% of Google's total revenue. That's right. The Google Cloud services represent 7% of Google's total revenue. Let that sink in for a second. $19 billion. Let's say 1%, right? Billion people decide to use crypto. Imagine what that does for the accumulation of crypto into the Google plan, right? I imagine we'll get those numbers early second quarter, early third quarter as they release this out, and we'll know exactly how much crypto they've been accumulating off this thing. But remember this video, remember this article, because I'm telling you, this is going to be big for Google and other spaces. Now, that being said, you want to take a look at charts on days like this, because if you look at the Coinbase chart, you can see that throughout the pre-market, when this news was announced, Coinbase ran from 67 all the way up to about $73 after kind of tracking down the rest of the day just because we got some other news in the market. But news like this can absolutely move markets when you have positive catalysts. When Coinbase first came out, this was a $300 stock. So it doesn't surprise me that now, definitely now and into the future, they're making huge partnerships with companies like Google. And this, my friends, is a very big partnership. So don't sleep on it. Justin, take us away.
Yeah, so that's going to wrap this one up, guys. I really hope we provided a lot of value and looking forward to the future. Google is a major player in this game, and they're going to be here to stay as one of the largest tech companies in the world. But like I said, that's all we got for this one. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. That way you stay up to date on all the current news and education in the crypto space. My name is Jay Seals. The guy below me is T Hobbs, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace.